Students, without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is a numbers. With the same thought, I, Pooja Garg, welcome you all in my online classes for class 10th mathematics. And today I am going to continue chapter number 2, polynomials. And before going to start this topic, do like and subscribe my YouTube channel Power of Mathematics and press bell icon so that you will get all the upcoming notifications. So here in this video number 7, I'm going to discuss exercise 2.4, which is an optional exercise. So let's start. Students, as you know, it's mentioned in the book that these optional exercises are not from the examination point of view. But according to CBSE guidelines, they have already mentioned last year, optional exercises are equally important and you have to do each and every question from optional exercises of each chapter. So here you have to do it very carefully. Each and every question is very much important. Okay, now let's start with the exercise number 2.4 of chapter number 2, polynomials. So very first question is, verify that the number given along the cubic polynomial below are there zeros, and you have to verify relationship as well. Means basically this is a cubic polynomial. These are the zeros of the polynomial. First of all, you have to verify it whether these are the zero of polynomial or not. Means what? You have to find the zeros of this cubic polynomial. As you know, this you have done already how to find the factors of a cubic polynomial by 3-step method. So let's see those who forgot, no problem. So here you see the solution. The very first step, we are going to first of all any one factor. Okay, and how we will find the factor? We will find the factors of this two constant term, that is plus minus 1 or plus minus 2. Now one by one we can put the value in place of x and we will see at which value we will get it as 0. Okay, now first of all put x as 1. So after putting x as 1, what we will get it as 0? It means x minus 1 means actual here what we did, x is equals to 1 is when we put x is equals to 1, we will get it as 0. It means when I will shift this one this side, it means x minus 1 is one of its factor of px. This is first step. Now second step, by using long division, I am going to divide this polynomial by this factor. Means consider this as gx and this is px, and division part is same almost as we already discussed in the previous exercise, that is 2.3. So same steps in the same manner. When I'm solving these two, dividing these two, remainder I'll get it as 0, and you should always get 0 because we know that this is a factor of px. This is second step. Now for third step, I'm using division algorithm. As we know, px is equals to gx into qx plus rx. Put the values. Gx into qx plus rx means 0. Okay, this as it is. Now we can use here splitting middle term method for finding the factors. So when I'm using the splitting middle term, I'll get two factors, that is 2x minus 1 and x plus 2. Now for finding the zeros, what I'm going to do, I'm going to equate this px with 0. It means either this factor is 0, this factor is 0, or this factor is 0. It means x is 1 or 1 upon 2 or minus 1 by 2. So this till this point we have done first part. It means hence verified. You can observe same values only I'm getting. So it means verified. Now next I need to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients, right? So it is very much similar that we have done the verification for the quadratic polynomial. So in the same manner we will do for the cubic as well. But you should remember that relationship. So let it be as alpha, beta and gamma, and you can interchange also, it's no problem. Now very first one is sum of the zeros, means alpha plus beta plus gamma. So when I'm adding these three values, I will get minus 1 upon 2. But when I'm using its relation, that is minus b upon a. So when I'm comparing the values of a, b, c, d by comparing this given polynomial, it's by its standard form. So now just simply put the value of a and b. I will get it as minus 1 upon 2, means same, hence verified. Secondly, sum of the product of two consecutive zeros, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Now put the values. Alpha beta means product of these two. So when I'm multiplying these two, I'll get it as 1 upon 2. Product of these two means minus 1. Product of these two means minus 2. So when I'm solving this, I will get minus 5 upon 2. Now use relation C upon A. Put the value of C, that is minus 5, and the value of A is 2. Again same, means verified. Now the third relation is alpha, beta, gamma. Means product of these three zeros. We'll get it as minus 1. Now relation is minus D upon A. Minus, as it is, D is 2, A is 2, means minus 1. Again verified. So in this case we can do verification. But for that you should know this relationship. Now see the second part of this question. So it is x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2, and these are the zeros. Again same question, you have to verify whether these are the zeros or not, and you have to verify the relationship as well. So in the similar manner you can try the second part. Now see the second question. Second question is find a cubic polynomial with sum of the product of its 0 taken 2 at a time, and product of its 0 as 2, minus 7, minus 14 respectively. It means it is somewhere similar to that question which we have done already in exercise number 2.2, right? For the quadratic polynomials. So in the same manner we will let the cubic polynomial be ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equals to 0 and alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the polynomial. So according to question, first of all, very first is sum, means alpha plus beta plus gamma is 2. Second is sum of the product of its zeros taken 2 at a time, means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is minus 7. And third is product, means minus 14, that is alpha into beta into gamma is minus 14. Now you know this cubic polynomial, as I already discussed in the starting videos and under concepts, how to form a cubic polynomial. So yes, this one, x cube minus sum of the zeros into x square plus sum of the product of two consecutive zeros into x minus product of zeros. Just simply put the values in place of this. So when I will put the value of this as 2, here in place of this I will put as minus 7, and in place of alpha, beta, gamma I will put as minus 14. So just solve the sign now. So final you will get it as x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14. This is final answer. Now see the third question. And students, it's a request, please side by side you solve these questions. Okay. Now see the third question. If the zeros of this polynomial are a minus b, a plus b, you have to find the value of a and b. Means basically this is a cubic polynomial and these are the zeros. If these are the zeros, so we can let it as be alpha, beta and gamma. Yeah. So let this be as alpha, a minus b, a as beta and a plus b as gamma. And this polynomial as px, where the value of a, b, c, d as 1, minus 3, 1 and 1 respectively, when we are comparing this with its standard form. Okay, now see, I am going to use the relationship for finding the values of a and b, and you can use suitable relationships. So first of all, I am taking the sum of the zeros, that is minus b upon a. Just simply put the values of all. Alpha is a minus b, beta is a, gamma is a plus b, and the value of b is minus 3 and the value of a is 1. Now simplified, b and b will cancel out. So here you will get 3a is equals to a, means the value of a is 1. Now I am using third relation, that is the product, means alpha into beta into gamma, that is minus d upon a. Again put the values. Now what I am going to do, I am going to first of all multiply these two brackets by using identity, that is a plus b into a minus b, means a square minus b square into a is equals to minus 1. Now we will put the value of a, because already we have the value of a as 1. Put the value. Now after solving you will get 1 minus b square is equals to minus 1. Just solve it, you will get b square is equals to 2. And whenever you remove square, you will get square root, but with the plus and minus sign. So it means the value of a is 1 and the value of b is plus minus root 2. Now see fourth question. if two zeros of the polynomial this, and you know which type of polynomial is this? Yes, biquadratic, because the degree is 4, are this, means 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, find the other two zeros, means two zeros already given to you and they're asking to find two more zeros. Again, we have done this question already in previous exercise, that is 2.3. Okay, now with the same steps we are going to solve this question as well, but little bit complicated because of these zeros. Now let's see how to solve these zeros. As this, take this as px and two zeros be this and this. Okay, now means x is equals to this, so when I'm going to shift both the terms towards this side, what I will get? X minus 2 minus 3, means change the sign. Same way for this polynomial, this 0 you will get it as x minus 2 plus root 3. Now what I'm going to, I need to solve this, means basically I need to make a single factor. So here what we'll do, I'm taking these two in one bracket, okay, and take this root 3 separately. Now consider this whole as a, this as b, this as a, this as b, means a minus b, a plus b. So here I can use identity, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square means what? X minus 2 whole square minus root 3 square. Here again we can use identity, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus root 3 square means 3. So when I will solve these two, I will get x square minus 4x plus 1. And this is a factor of px. Now you can consider this as gx and this as px. Now by using long division you can divide this. You can see this division part. Everybody know now, I think so. Yeah. So here you can follow the steps. In this case also you can see we are getting remainder as 0 because this is a factor of this given polynomial. Now by using division algorithm for polynomials, px is equals to gx into qx plus rx. Now this remains same because already by using this factor we have already two zeros, that is 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Now we can solve this by using splitting middle term. So when we are solving this, we will get x plus 5, x minus 7. So it means other two zeros are minus 5 and 7. So you can see this process is almost similar, but starting is little bit different. So you can try it by your own one more time. Now see the last question of this exercise, that is if the polynomial this, again this is a biquadratic, is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus k and the remainder comes out be x plus a. You have to find the value of k and a. Here a is constant, means we have to find it out, k also. Now see the way how to do. Again this is complicated little bit, but when you will do practice, it will be easy for you to solve these type of questions as well. So here you can observe this is p, let this be as px, this as gx and rx as x plus a. Now on dividing px and by gx we will get a remainder. Now see this division part you have to do carefully. Each and every sign you have to consider in a proper manner, because whenever you are going to change the sign, please whenever you are going to subtract two polynomials, don't forget to change the sign. Now let's see step by step. So for x power 4 divided by x square, I will get x square. So x square I am going to multiply by all three terms one by one. X square into x square, x4. X square into minus 2x is minus 2x cube. X square into k is kx square. Change the sign, this will cancel out. Fine. Now see here you will get minus 4x cube. Here you can see 16 minus k and whole bracket x square, means x square is common. These two terms as it is. Now for second term, this divided by x square, I will get minus 4x. So minus 4x into x square is minus 4x cube. Minus 4x into minus 2x is equals to plus 8x square. Minus 4x into k is minus 4kx. Now change the sign. You can see here I put changed sign under bracket. This will cancel out. Now again you see how to solve. X square first of all common. Now I need to solve this portion. Okay. So 16 minus k minus 8. So 16 minus 8 is what? 8 minus k into x square plus same way minus 25 and here plus 4k. So I am writing 4k, first of all 4k with positive sign, minus 25 and x is common. This 10 as it is. Now divide this term by x square. So I will get 8 minus k, means last term is this. This into by all three. This into x square, I will get the same. This into minus 2x means minus 2x. I am going to multiply by both, right? So here I am taking x as common first of all. And minus 2 into 8, minus 16. Minus 2 into minus k is plus 2k. So plus 2k minus 16 and whole bracket is x. Now this into k. K into 8, 8k. K into minus k is minus k square. Change the sign, this will cancel out. See, now when you are subtracting this, the sign will change. This positive become negative, negative become positive, right? So 4k minus 2k is 2k, minus 25 and this become plus 16. You will get minus 9 and whole bracket x. And here you can observe this also. This minus become plus means k square, this become minus means minus 8k, and this 10 as it is plus 10. Now I cannot solve it further because the degree of this remainder is less than the degree of gx, means this is only the remainder. Now according to question, this remainder is equals to what? X plus a. Now I am going to compare coefficients of x and the constant term. See, the coefficient of x is here 1. And the coefficient of x is this side 2k minus 9. Now I am going to compare. 2k minus 9 is equals to 1. After solving, k is 5. Now I am going to compare this constant terms. This is equals to a. Now put the value of k because we already have. After putting the value of k as 5, we will get a is equals to minus 5. So it means a is minus 5 and the value of k is 5. So one more time, you see this step is very important. This division part. So students, please keep on doing practice. Do each and every question of this chapter again one more time so that there will be no confusion related to the questions and the concepts. Students, after watching video, kindly mention your name, class and roll number in comment box and check PDF of notes in description box. Thank you.